it's Malone here, and I'm gonna do an unboxing Tic Tac Toys toy. But first, I'm going to show you what I've already opened. So, in one of these, there was this Play-Doh and some accessories, and the collector's guide. I'm gonna show you what I got. I got two of these, that color of Play-Doh. I think it's either that one and that one. Comment down below. And I got a cupcake cookie cutter. And I also got some bracelets, which I'm wearing it right now. And let's get started. So my mom got it started because I can't start it yet. Okay, so when things get too tricky, I rip it down, rip it. That was easy. I didn't expect that. Ugh. Why is it so hard? I didn't notice the tape. Oh my gosh, that's why it's so hard. That was unexpected. Okay. And you guys, so the boxes are numbered. There's 8, 11, and that's all I know. But I bet there's more than just 8 and 11. Let's flip them all to the numbered side. I'm going to put them in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start with number 1 and 2. I can't do those, so I'm going to do the top. And this is where I get the first animal, or person, because there's animal or person. Okay, so I'm going to show you the collector's guide. There's a bunch of different animals and only 4 people, but the people are the same. I'm going to show you. I can get this thing opened. Okay, there we go. Right here, there's Maya X, Addie O, Addie X, Maya O. So they're basically the same, but there's X's and O's. I'm gonna start, so I'm gonna leave this for last. I'm gonna open this. And you also got another person, so I'm gonna save both of those people for last. These wings, let's see what looks rare. They are not. I might get confused with them, so I'm just gonna open the person and see who I get. I really want a pig or a poodle or a unicorn. That's who I really want. What is he? A poodle! Okay, is this one rare? No, it's that one. But I got Blair. She's so pretty. I wanted a poodle and I got a poodle. And these actually match Blair. Look how cute she is. 3. I'm gonna do that one. I bet this is another pair of wings or an accessory. I don't know. I can't tell. It's an accessory. I got the heart mirror. I was really hoping for the unicorn backpack. It's the cutest one.
Let me see that, dude.
So my dad interrupted me, but it's okay. We're just gonna move on and pretend like that did not happen. 4 and 5. I just noticed that there's a little tab right here, so I can just peel it open. And it's way easier. Oh my gosh, I think this is a person. Whatever it is. Oh my gosh. Why is it so hard to open these things? Okay, I'm going to throw this trash. Oh no, not this. Okay. and hopefully I get a rare person, which is Rare Stella Button, Claire Coco, and Star. 2 unicorns are rare, and I really want a unicorn. So hopefully, good luck. Please cross your fingers, guys. I really want a unicorn. I already have her. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I have this one, and her. I got doubles. That means I'm gonna get these wings. And I already have 2 pairs of them. They feel like different wings. Wait, I don't know. I think they're wings. They're different ones. I think they're those ones. And then the next one I'm also gonna go. I'm right. They're so pretty, and they're not rare. They're close to the ones that are rare, but whatever. At least I got different wings. That's the only good part. I got a double. Those are all of the wings. And these are all of the characters. Got doubles. Whatever. We're gonna move on to number 6. That was easy. I feel like those ones. I think I'm gonna get a rare. I got a rare. I got a rare. That's amazing. You need those. Oh, and I also have these wings. Are these rare? What are they? Those are not the light ones. They are the dark ones. I have another rare. I have 2 rares. It's so amazing, guys. And if you guys love Play-Doh, hashtag Play-Doh. I really want the blue or white, light pink Valander or that one. Last 2. Please, good luck for the ones, or the Play-Dohs and the cookie cutters that I want. Please, cross your fingers. Where am I going to? Oh my gosh, where is it? Oh my gosh, why is everything so hard? I opened number 8 and before 7. This is the cookie cutter. Oh, what does it feel like? What does it feel like? I don't know. It's purple. It's a heart. I wonder what Play-Doh I got. That was awful. Oh my gosh, why can't I get this thing open? What is this? Oh my gosh. What is this? What is it? What color is it? I can't open. Open. Why is everything so difficult? Why is everything so difficult? Difficulties. I might need my mom to do this. Because it was so hard, I needed my mom to do it. I got a purple, I think. There you have it. This is the Tic Tac Toys unboxing. And I bet you guys would really want Tic Tac Toys because there's a bunch of accessories, wings, cookie cutters, or basically Play-Doh cutters. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. And I hope you guys get a poodle or someone rare, because if you do, tell me in the comments down below.